Silicon Labs offers their wireless Xpress module solutions, which deliver Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi connectivity with zero programming, thus allowing users to streamline the design of commercial, industrial, and smart home IoT applications with drop and connect simplicity. These certified PCB and SiP modules include integrated antenna options that allow users to reduce design complexity and speed time to market. The Mobile Application Software Development Kit for Android and iOS accelerates app development to complete IoT wireless solutions. Features of the Wi-Fi Express module include an integrated web server, which enables browser-based user interfaces for device configuration and setup, command and control, and data visualization. The Bluetooth Express module supports the latest Bluetooth 5 standard and is ideal for cable replacement with its zero overhead serial to BLE communication.